Hi, I'm Paul, and welcome to the AI Encore, Level 1 Introduction. The first thing that we want to do today is start with going to the AI Encore website, the AIEncore.com. Start at the home page, and then we're going to go over the training modules are located under the training modules, and we're going to be going to Level 1. Now, the training modules are password protected, so if you would like a password, then just scroll down, and at the bottom of this page, and you will find request a free password. So it's just put in your first name, your email, and then you will receive an email with the password. So we will go to Level 1 Learning Modules. And the first is Level 1 Introduction. Level 1 Newcomer. Based on the business track, getting comfortable. So this video, the explanation videos will be based on the business track. However, if you did download a training plan based on either family or travel or another subject matter or area of interest, then you can just adjust your questions just a little bit differently from the business track that's shown here, and we'll talk about it a little bit more as we go on. So complete each learning module and check it off before moving to the next. This is free forever, no credit card, no trial period, no upgrade wall. You'll notice on every module, there's a short introduction video that's about 5 minutes, and it's definitely, I recommend that you take a few minutes, watch the video. It will give you just a really nice overview of what that level or that particular module is going to be all about. And then over here on the right hand side with the image of Sage, our AI manager, she is interactive and you can click on her and have a conversation with her. So we'll demonstrate that in just a minute. How this program works. The program is organized by levels. Each level has a set number of learning modules. Level 1 has 7 learning modules. You can move through them at whatever pace works for you, several in one setting, or one at a time with breaks in between. That's completely fine. Life happens. You may complete several learning modules in a row, take a break, come back, do more, no problem. When you return, just pick up the next learning module and keep going. There are no deadlines, there's no falling behind. What matters is not how many learning modules you've completed in a setting, it is what level you are on and what you understand. Focus on that. You have 7 learning modules ahead of you. Start when you're ready. The learning objectives for Level 1. Set up active accounts on 3 major AI tools and use each for something real. Identify which tool feels best for which kind of task. Recognize when AI is fabricating or hallucinating versus being accurate. Begin using AI for real work, not as a novelty, but as a quiet helper. Curriculum topics. What AI actually is and what it is not. A system trained to predict the next word in a sequence, which is why it's good at writing and reasoning, but not always good at facts. The major AI tools today, Claude, ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity, Notebook LLM, and Google Gemini. Free versus paid tiers, and when to upgrade. Hallucinations, what they are, why they happen, and how to spot them. Common AI cases for small business, drafting, summarizing, explaining, and brainstorming. Privacy basics, what never to share with a public AI tool. Here are your recommended tools. Claude, which is Anthropic, strong writing, document analysis, careful reasoning. ChatGPT, which is OpenAI, widely capable, good baseline, general assistant. Perplexity, research with live citations useful for verifying facts. Microsoft Copilot, integrated with Word, Excel, Outlook, fits inside the tools you already use. Notebook LM, which is Google, for asking questions about documents you upload. But I would also add to this Google Gemini. And most people have experienced Gemini. If you put in a Google search now, the first thing that's going to come up is Gemini. So you've probably already interacted with Google Gemini without maybe even realizing it, that you were receiving information from AI. By the end of level 1, you will be able to navigate 3 major AI platforms independently, have a real conversation with AI about your business by typing and by voice, explain what a prompt, hallucination, and large language model are in plain language. Identify which platform feels most natural to you for planning and research. Use AI to produce something real for your business. A draft email, a service description, a simple plan. Recognize when AI answer about your business or market may be inaccurate or possibly your subject area of interest. Know what never to share with a public AI tool. That is level 1, 7 learning modules. Let's get started. Now, further down the page, there's some very important keys to what you should do for each and every assignment that you work on. How to get feedback on your assignments. One of the most valuable things that you can do throughout this program is ask AI to review your own work. This gives you personalized feedback, reinforces what you learned, and gives you more hands-on practice with AI all at the same time. And then how it works. You complete your assignment. You save it as a Word document, and then you open your free AI chat, whether it be Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity. You start a new conversation, and then you upload your document and you paste your text. Use this prompt to request a review. You will prompt it to say, please review my assignment, tell me what I did well, what I could improve, and one suggestion for next time. AI is going to give you feedback, but then don't just stop right there. Ask follow-up questions. If something in the feedback confused you, ask AI to explain it. If you disagree with the feedback, push back and discuss it. If something from this learning module didn't quite click, then it's a good time to ask about it. Every conversation you have with AI is practice. Use it. This review step is recommended on any learning module that includes a written output, especially learning modules 2, 3, 5, and 7. And at the bottom of the page here, we have animated Sage, and she explains the same thing. Now we'll go up and we will talk to Sage, and we'll do a short demonstration on speaking with the AI avatar.
Hi, I'm Sage. What AI question can I help you with today?
Hi Sage, I'm starting level 1, module 1 today, and I just wanted to know what's the most important thing that I should look out for in this module?
Great to hear you're starting. In Module 1, the most important thing to focus on is setting up your accounts on the 3 AI platforms, Claude, ChatGPT, and Perplexity. Make sure to ask the same real-life question on all 3 to compare their responses and see which one feels most useful to you. This will help you get comfortable with how each tool works. Do you have a specific question in mind for your comparison?
For these free accounts, am I going to have to provide a credit card, or what information do I have to provide to get free account?
No credit card is required for the free accounts. All you need is an email address to set them up. Just sign up on the platforms and you can start using them right away. If you have any other questions about the setup, feel free to ask.
Thank you, Sage.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions as you go through the module, just let me know. Happy learning!
So we are now back on the level 1 newcomer page, and now you're ready to start and move on to level 1 module 1. Just go down to the bottom of the page. You can either go to the top or you can navigate from here and enter in your password. And you're ready to start the next module. All right, thank you for following through with me on the AI Encore Level 1 introduction, and we'll see you in the next video.